Hey there people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy WhatsApp group link. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Then head over to the group you want to just copy the link of. And suppose I'm going to this one and click on the three dot icon or the group menu. And there, if you scroll down, you will see the add member option. And here what you have to do is click on in the in the downwards of the add members option, there is a option invite via link. So click on invite via link, and here all you need to do is click on copy link, and the link of your WhatsApp group is copied, and the link is this one, and one can just click on this link and join in your group. And this is how you can do it, and hope this video will help you out. Just make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.